morning, everyone. Welcome to my day in the life video, quarantine edition. So I woke up at about 7:30, showered, got ready, and now I'm ready to get started with my day and just making the most of this quarantine situation. So as I mentioned in one of my earlier vlogs, our dryer broke. Oh, isn't that great? And we haven't been able to get someone out here to come fix it. So I ordered on Amazon a multi-level drying rack thing. So we're gonna be doing that. I have a big load that I just put into the washer, and look at my hamper, it is completely filled, and so is Darren's, because we haven't been able to do laundry in over a week. And before that, we were a little behind to begin with, so things are just a little rough right now. So the drying rack just came in and I'm about to build it. I'm hoping it's just kind of collapsible and it's just like pre-built. That's what I'm hoping for, but I feel like often things are not that easy. So let's go find out what we're working with. Okay, so I just unboxed it, and really bad news, guys. Really bad news. This is like IKEA.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got that, don't fear.
Are you ready to see the final product? Seriously, so proud. So we've got 3 layers. It extends on both sides, and then we've got these things on the top, and they kind of like move, and you can dry clothes on hangers here. I'm like 5'4", and this is like 6 inches taller than me, so it's pretty large and in charge. So at least we can finally do laundry again, and that's what really matters. On to the next project of my day. I'm reading a few sales books, and I just bought a sales training that I'll tell you guys about soon. It's really exciting, and I think it's really gonna help me out. Oh my gosh, guys, so look what I just discovered. I just collapsed them, and then you can just fold them up and lock them into place. I'm a happy customer. Happy customer. Quick update. So my load of laundry finished, and you guys, it only filled up half. So I'm really impressed with this. Reading 2 books during this quarantine. So the first one is How to Win Friends and Influence People, and the other one is Gap Selling. I'm reading these just basically to help develop myself, stay sharp, and make sure I'm on my A game when this quarantine is over. Another thing I'm doing is I just bought this sales training program. It's called Sales Strategy Academy. About to start my different courses and such right now.
And welcome. My name is Mark Wayshak, and
it's about noon, and I'm pretty hungry because I haven't eaten yet today. I'm gonna have some Trader Joe's tempura cauliflower. It seriously is delish. To go with it, I'm just gonna make some rice that I got from Trader Joe's. Really excited for this. I just put the sauce that came with the package. I just poured some of that on top. We're gonna take these little pups for a walk, and then I'm probably gonna get back to these training videos. So we just got Sadie a new harness because Sadie and Hunter had different ones, but this was one that Sadie had before, and on the back, it ripped right there, it ripped over here, parts here, kept just like folding under and like irritating her. You can see it's twisted again. It's just twisting everywhere, and the straps are just too thin. Hopefully this is gonna make it more comfortable for when we go on our walks, huh babies? Hi hunties. I can barely even see your eyes, hun. Oh, big stretches, huh? All right, guys. let's get going. Just got back from our walk and this Amazon package was sitting outside. If you guys saw that movie, I think it's called Pandemic or Contagious, maybe, outlines exactly what we're going through right now with the coronavirus. And part of it ended in like, there were like riots and like people are setting fire to things. Paranoia getting the best of me, but regardless, I'm prepared. I bought the size that is like in a school. I'm ready for duty. All right, guys, it is 6 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, am I right? Am I right? The pups are playing outside. Darren is working in his office, finishing some stuff up. So I'm probably gonna start making the pups food. Bum, ba-dum, ba-da-da-da-da-dun, da-dun. I feel like I was going somewhere with that, but I don't really know where. Look how darn cute you are. Oh, you don't want to hang out with me, no? All right, I hear you. Oh, and look who is coming so quickly to abandon me. Oh, there we go.
No, not down the middle.
Do it, do it, do it.
Oh no.
I'm just concerned.
Okay, so we are making honey walnut shrimp tonight, but the shrimp, I put it in the fridge earlier today, but it hasn't defrosted enough, so I'm just gonna run it under some like room temperature water.
Get paid, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the drain. Get paid, little shorty, get paid. No, I'm always on my grind. 20.
So I did 4 egg whites, and then I'm gonna do a 1/3 cup of cornstarch and mix it all up. All right, so I just finished the mixture with egg whites and the cornstarch. Added my shrimp, and we are about to fry these up. Sauce. Well, we don't really feel like doing dishes, so here is our honey walnut shrimp over rice.
It's an isolation period for anyone who's been exposed to a disease.
All right, so we are just watching Netflix, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign off the vlog. Have a good evening, everyone, and I will see you next week.